Well, hi everyone, my name is Jeff, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about two very powerful uh, pieces of music that can be used, that are designed for our meditation practice. In particular, the Enlightenment music, which has to do with the poster behind me, and the Canyons of Light music. The Enlightenment music is for the morning, and the Canyons of Light music is for the evening. These were created by Zazen, a group of musicians that were students of Dr. Frederick Lenz, also known as Rama. He's also my teacher of many years. He's no longer with us in the physical. But with this particular music, he did something quite exceptional, and actually something I practice to this day. He was able to put high vibrational auric energy into this music, you might say. He's the composer of the music. And when we listen to this music, we can pick up on some very deep, powerful type of energy that can really aid us greatly in our meditation practice. That's one of the main reasons for this video today. The Enlightenment music for the morning meditation. Now, I do talk about meditation, in particular type of chakra meditation, briefly on my website, and I'll have a description of that link to my website in the description of the video. And there's also on the meditation page of my website, you'll be able to access these two particular pieces of music. It's free access, and you'll also see other music too that you might enjoy when you go to the link. But this, getting back to the Enlightenment music, is 15 tracks, and just very, once again, very powerful, deep type of music that I meditate myself from time to time in the morning. I do vary my meditations, but I've been meditating to the Enlightenment CD for just many years, and I always get something out of it. This music can also be used just to listen to the music in the background as you're in your home, as you're doing your some daily chores or what have you, or listening to you on your mobile phone or in your car, and so on and so on. It just has such a wonderful kind of vibration to it that the idea is that it would seep into us, and then it just makes us happier, fills us with more energy. And like I said, it's very helpful aid, a powerful aid, and actually going deeper when we do formal meditation. It just has an energetic quality to it, to these two pieces of music, that just draws us in deeper. And it's as we get deeper into the inner layers, of reality, into stillness. Stillness is such a big thing. I have a brief video on that. When we enter into stillness, and where our thoughts are slowing down, and eventually they can stop on their own, it has to do with other components also. So we have a balanced type of practice. In particular, a balance between our meditation practice and our mindfulness practice. But in that stillness lies some amazing things. Very interesting kinds of knowledge. We gain understandings from this knowledge as we go deeper. The energy is very palpable after a while, and we can do a lot with that in our daily life, in our careers, and in our relationships and creative activities, let alone what we can do in our inner type of practice. The Canyons of Light is really more designed for the evening, and is also quite powerful, has a very powerful type of vibration in the also 15 tracks of the Candles Your Light CD, but they are, in particular, what is unique to the Candles Your Light music is that there are 15 tracks associated with 15 power spots in the American Southwest. And these power spots, like the Grand Canyon and Monument Valley, as two examples, going to these power spots is quite an experience. And I briefly touched on power spots. Each power spot has a distinctive type of energy to it, distinctive type of knowledge, a distinctive type of feel to it and characteristics to it, and that is noticeable. We get better when we meditate and when we are practicing, get better at noticing kind of what is going on in these inner types of aspects of ourselves and the inner aspects of reality. There's a lot going on. And these power spots are something quite exceptional. Power spots are actually throughout the United States and the world, different ones. And I'll talk about that in another video. But these, the power spots that we access, when we access this music, Candles Your Light music in particular, for an evening meditation, we're actually tapping into the power of that particular power spot. It's something that that Rama was able to do. He, of course, took us to many of these power spots years ago, so I know something about this directly. And feeling that energy, being actually in the power spot, meditating, don't want to spend too much time in the power spots and get overamped, for instance. But each of us will learn for ourselves about the flow of energy and what's going on in these power spots, and be able to adjust accordingly how much time we would really spend there. If it's done right and done in a balanced way, it can really uplift ourselves and our practice. So a lot going on with power spots, but be able to tap into them to an extent via the Candles Your Light music. There are 14 power spots, 15 tracks, but 14 power spots, and one of the tracks has to do, it's actually called the Candles Your Light. It's a different type of thing going on for that particular track. So I wanted to at least talk briefly about this in this video. I'm going to go into more detail about these power spots and about meditation. I also have talked about meditation briefly in my own book, Folding the Mind, Unique Discoveries We All Can Make into Inner Reality Naturally. And these videos are also an attempt to get information out. So both the book and these videos, and I'll have more of them, going over themes and sub-themes and types of knowledge that I've written in the book. I wanted to get the information out there, since I think it's very valuable and useful to people. And also, it would be helpful if we ever did have an interaction together of some sort, having to do with meditation, mindfulness, and self-discovery practice. I've been at it for a long time, practice. I've learned many things. And if I was going to say anything else in the video, I briefly talk about also chakra meditation briefly on the website, on my website. Always suggesting that dealing with deep energy, positive power, when we access this type of energy, to use it responsibly. It's meant to be very positive and to help us balance ourselves out, and using very good intent, that you'll do fine. So to have a really good attitude, a very positive attitude, and you do quite fine with this information in these videos. And if you ever decide to read the book that I wrote, or interact many of the recorded talks and books that my own teacher produced and created. I think that would be quite a interesting thing to do also. That information is something I feel is very significant, very important and valuable in our practice, to say the least. So thank you for paying attention to this video.